It's that same dream. I always have it.
Poached him! Hiding out in there, little buddy?
Stop. Don't open that door, no matter what. Cease your vile breathing.
I was having a nightmare that felt so... Must still be dreaming.
Worm, touch me and die!
What was that?
Power! I am invigorated!
Not a dream.
Interesting horns. Looks like you drank too much blood. We're going to have to drain you.
Right!
Say what?
Every once in a while, Power needs to have her blood drained. Can I borrow Power for a bit?
You can have her as long as you want.
In the meantime, you'll need a substitute partner.
More chainsaw!
Not really into dudes, all right?
You don't seem thrilled about this.
I've never been more excited.
If that's really the case, then we should go on a date. We do both have tomorrow off.
A date?